So you guys know how I went to college, right? And I passed the bar. Yeah. And what was I saying again? Oh yeah, you guys know how I went to college, right? And I'm kind of like an inventor. I don't mean to brag or anything, but I'm kind of like an inventor. And I came up with this really great idea. Let me pitch this idea to you guys. I had chili for lunch today. No, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. I had chili for lunch today, and I got free gas. Free gas, people. No, free. It was completely free. However, I don't own a car. You know, the world's oil crisis and gas price dilemma can be solved. This is where the pitch comes in. It can be solved. Instead of using oil or gas or electric, we can use our own flatulence to power our own cars. Think I told you I was an intellectual. I told you guys I'm smart. It's all up here. This is where it gets good. This is where it gets good. No more oil, no more wars over oil. Just over beans.